My name is Musa Abdullahi. My problem is replacement of left hand siding. So we rearrangement in Dr. Masood Habib.
Today, I'll be talking about Mr. Abdullahi Isa, who had presented to us with left shoulder pain, and he has been struggling with pain and stiffness in the left shoulder for last couple of years, and his pain score was around 9 on 10.
In our country, there is no medication and operation, but when coming here, I get test medication and operation.
He was referred through the International Patient Lounge to us for further management. Mr. Musa underwent computer-navigated left shoulder reverse replacement at Indraprastha Apollo Hospital.
Now it's good. I am very happy with the medication of Dr. Masood Habib. Thank you very much. Now there is no problem. Now it's good. Everything is okay.
He is recovering very well, and his pain has settled down and he's back to his normal now.
After medication and operation, I can do everything. I take up and down now, but we can do everything now.
And in case if you are feeling problems with your shoulder, or if you are struggling with shoulder pain because of arthritis, computer navigated shoulder replacement is the solution to wean off and to get back to the normal.
I thank you all in Apollo Hospital members, especially Masood Habib, for medication and operation.